These are the circle keepers.
We are a restorative justice club that does restorative justice practices.
There are 3 different stations. There's going to be bracelet making. There's going to be a podcast station over there, so it could be 3 people at a time. And then the freedom drawing.
You're going to be talking about the safety within your school, where you feel most peaceful, where you find justice at, all kind of topics like that.
We've been circle keepers and doing this together for the past 4 years. We are a community, and I feel like we share that in everything that we do.
We do circles, we do meetings, we do peer mentoring so that people in situations that are like arguments, we just give them the space to talk about it instead of having to go into like drastic measures.
Today we are at Baruch.
The first question is, how would you define a positive school climate? So what makes it a nice space for students to be within?
What do you guys define belonging as?
I feel like you just need to be kind to others, and others don't get judged or bullied.
Just feeling comfortable with who you're around.
If you have something that is pressuring you, just let it out. Talking to someone.
And I feel like even if you're being pressured, I don't think you should do it because it's like it's gonna affect you.
When we think about punitive justice, like we already understand what that is because it's so ingrained in every type of system that we have in America.
I think a lot of the adults feel like punitive action is like the best way to do things. If you do something wrong, get in trouble for it, and I just completely disagree with that. I think that it's really important to ask questions and also relationship build.
It doesn't really address like why they did it or understanding the thought process behind it, and even just the different factors throughout their life that have influenced them coming to the conflict. And not to say that restorative justice is always going to repair the harm that was done, but it's making sure that the people know that you're at least making an effort, a conscious effort to make it better.
I feel like I can implement my art into restorative justice. We use our hands a lot, so it was like the hard work, and our roads is like where we are right now. We're working towards making our goal. We fight for justice and we fight to keep growing.